Do your devices buffer or time out in certain areas of your home? Are you tired of not having the freedom to move freely due to poor or no Wi-Fi connections? Introducing Una from Extollo Communications. Una is an intelligent, meshed Wi-Fi networking system that combines the latest Wi-Fi and power line technologies, seamlessly working together to form a single network that provides complete home wireless and wired network coverage. Una Wi-Fi adapters can be placed anywhere within the home due to its use of power lines. Una can even extend your home's Wi-Fi network to remote buildings and workshops. Other meshed wireless systems use Wi-Fi to communicate, making them susceptible to barriers such as cement walls and concrete floors. Una's network scales to fit homes of any shape or size. Connect one Una to your internet router, and then place other Unas wherever you have poor or no Wi-Fi coverage. Pair and configure Una via the mobile app to create an intelligent, secure, high-speed, self-managing Wi-Fi network. Una provides a dedicated connection to each Wi-Fi device, no matter how many devices you have connected and regardless of their location within the home. Una knows what your devices are doing and assigns the best Wi-Fi connection. Move freely throughout your home. No more dead zones or buffering. Una's intelligent awareness keeps your devices connected to the strongest Wi-Fi signal. Una, a new era for fast, reliable, meshed Wi-Fi networking.